In the movie Contagion, it talks about a virus called the MV1 that was inspired by the Nipah virus and neurological and respiratory disease. The Nipah virus, which was identified in 1999, was responsible for over 100 human deaths and the culling of 1 million pigs. The terrifying thing about the Nipah virus is that there is no cure. These two viruses are similar. MV1 is a biological security level 4 microbe and can only be handled by the CDC, who has the staff and equipment to handle it. The MV1 has an incubation period of several hours, while the Nipah virus incubates between 4 to 18 days. There is also a pathogen that we have seen as of yet in the real world that has the same kind of incubation period as the MEV1. Into perspective, viruses like the mumps and rubella have incubation periods ranging from 12 to 23 days, while the common cold and influenza have incubates between 1 to 3 days. The MV1 is so transmissible, we see it spread around the globe within days. This has already happened within the outbreak of the SARS in 2003, in Asia in 2009, H1N1 pandemic.
It spread to 13 countries across the continent within a month, and H1N1 spread globally within weeks. MEV1 is described as a pleomorphic and ovoid in shape with a glycoprotein increases the virus's ability to evade the host immune system. The number of reservoirs an organism and mechanism transmission it is to make MEV1 so resistant in the movie. In the movie, we see the virus infect the person's brain and lung cells as they have the appropriate receptors and glycoproteins on the surface, or just like the lock and key mechanism described in the film. MEV1 meets humans through a series of animal encounters. First, a bat eats a fruit, and then it drops into a pig pen. The pig eats it and is handled by a chef who comes in contact with Gwyneth Paltrow's character. This is similar to the Nipah virus. In the movie, they make a vaccine within 4 months. CDC says in real life it would take many years to go through figuring out the virus's processes, locating a vaccine, human trials, and deployment. In the movie Contagion, the MEV1 is similar to the Nipah virus, but with dramatic overtones that would not happen in real life. Still, the movie Contagion is very similar to what could happen in real life.
As you can see, the bat has eaten a banana in China and dropped into a pig pen. The bat has infected the banana with its saliva, and the pig has consumed it, transmitting disease from pig to bat. As you can see in this video, the chef has met Gwyneth Paltrow's character, shaking her hand, instantly transmitting her disease. Then she spreads it to Chicago on her connecting flight. This has dire consequences.